Good evening, VV Nation. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Happy Wednesday to everybody. The week's halfway over, right? Tomorrow, I just want to give you a heads up. Glenn will be covering my 6 p.m. video for tomorrow night. I'm not sure exactly if he's going to do semiconductors or not, but he's going to give you great information. Now, as far as tonight's presentation, again, I'm going to do a subject that's, not going to get a whole lot of views or garnish a lot of attention on the internet, or probably do very well in the YouTube algorithm. But hey, I am here to make you money, so make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, so that way we get further into the algorithm. Now, I did do a video 9 months ago on this space, right? Huge topic. Throughout America, really, even the presidential candidates on both sides not really putting out a clear way to fix this problem, and that is going to be the housing shortage. So that's right, we're going to talk about building stocks today. So if you got some time, watch this video. I was doing some quick tests. I'm going to show you some results of the stocks I gave you last time, and this time I'm going to give you some new stocks to go forward. So if you're interested in this, stick around and let's get started. So here you can see the last video I did on this topic titled Best Builder Stocks to Maximize Profit from an End to Interest Rates. This video is from 9 months ago and had just about 1,000 views. That's why I said it doesn't garner a whole lot of attention online, but these stocks are very important. You see the 4 stocks I got for you here: IBP, PHM, GRBK, and TOL. Now, if you're new to watching these videos, this behind me is the VectorVest 7 software. Now, if you want to check us out and learn more about us, just go to VectorVest.com. They even have trial offers on there. But this is the important thing I want to show you, right? We did a quick test of these 4 stocks. We did it from exactly 9 months ago with no trade management in place. All 4 of these stocks are winner. 2 of the stocks gained over 50% in the last 9 months. If we look at the average here, over 44%. And down below, I do have it compared to the QQQ, just because I figured that probably did the best, this year so far. We see the QQQ went up 13%. So this space greatly outperforming even the big tech stocks and the famed semiconductors, which garner most of the attention on the internet, right? So that's why I wanted to put this space on your radar, because we're in the same scenario, right? Now the interest rates are actually declining, and that's going to put even more pressure on housing prices, right? Going to put more pressure on the ability to build more houses, and that's the space we're going to make money from. So let's take a look at some of the best stocks in the building sector. Now, before we get to the stocks, I always want to show you the space we're getting involved with and exactly why I like the space to begin with, right? Now, the first thing you'll notice here, this green line. That is what we value these stocks to be on average, right? In the building sector, not what, not any kind of price target, but what we currently feel the space is worth. Right now, we value the space at $190, currently trading at $166. So the space is undervalued. If you look at it, nice lower left to upper right, a couple periods of consolidation, but the price action of the sector keeps rising. And majority of the time, it stays above that 20-day exponential moving average. On top of that, we do have several levels of support here. My first level of support is at 162.18 by the prior 2 swing highs. And in addition, if you look down below, I do have forecasted EPS, earnings per share. This is the leading 12-month forecasted data. Along with that, we have sales growth rate. And very simply, over the last 12 months, lower left to upper right in both of these spaces here. So you can see the building sector, why I like this space as a whole. So I went through all the stocks that we currently track in the building sector, which was quite a bit to my surprise, and I've got you my top 7 stocks here. Now, when I picked these stocks, I was trying to give you the best of both worlds. I was trying to give you safety, just because there's a lot of uncertainty there, economic conditions, interest rate cuts, things of that nature, elections. So I wanted to focus on some safety, but give you some high momentum trades at the same time. So whether you're a swing trader or you're looking for long-term investments, definitely don't sleep on these 7 stock picks. Now you can see the first column I got here, value divided by price. All of these stocks are currently undervalued. Quite a bit, actually. The most undervalued stock is going to be IESC at the top of the list, currently trading $189. We value the position at $321. Again, this is not a price target, just what we currently feel the stock is worth. Now, RV and RS, these are fundamental indicators, right? Strong fundamentals on all of these stocks. You can see positive ratings here. Again, if you're new to the channel, the scale is 0 to 2. Above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. The further you get away from the oscillation point of 1, the stronger the favor of the indicator. That being said, RT relative timing, this looks at the short-term price trend. So they're all in an uptrend right now, currently with RTs above 1. But look, majority of the list is 1.4 or higher. That's why I'm saying if you're a swing trader, put these stocks on your list. They're not very volatile in nature. So I know there's a lot of other more volatile stocks out there, but if you want safe swing trades, these are stocks definitely to put on your list. BST, overall value, safety, and timing. These are some of the highest ranked stocks in the database. CI, this is a technical indicator. These stocks go up more than they go down. Now, if you've been a subscriber to VectorVest a long time, you know if you're looking for safe long-term positions, RS and CI, these are the two indicators you want to focus on. And these ratings are phenomenal. They all have buy recommendations. If we look at forecasted data, sales growth rate, and the growth rate in earnings, double digits for the most part. And if I scroll over, even if you're looking for some dividend plays here, these stocks, for the most part, do pay a dividend. Now, Lennar Corp does have an RT of 1.19. This is the lowest momentum trade here on the list, but it does have the highest dividend yield, annualized at 1.19%. All right, VV Nation. Now, I know I didn't go through the stock charts like I typically do, but these stocks are moving up very nicely. All the moving averages in our favor that I typically look at, the 3, 8, and 20-day exponential moving averages. And when I put a lot of these stocks on the Star Search layout, they are in the fast lanes using the Bollinger Bands. Now, that being said, if you want confirmation, look at the chart, right? Most of these stocks are either hitting new highs or approaching previous highs. So if you want confirmation, just take out the prior high. Otherwise, if you're ready to get in, just focus on the color guard and what the homepage of the VectorVest 7 system is telling you, right? You want to stay on the right side of the market. Now, again, if you liked tonight's video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next week.
You guys have wanted it, and we're responding. You wanted an extension to the end of summer education sale, and we're giving it to you. This sale now is extended up to September 30th of 2024. That's right, up to 70% off on some of the courses that we offer. And you know something? Nobody ever is going to invest your money like you do. It's important that you get the best education possible. We've got bottom fishing courses. We have technical courses like Trade Like a Pro, Options Jumpstart, and knowing when to sell. And guess what, folks? There's another caveat. It's 100% money back guarantee. That's right, folks. Go to www.vectorvest.com/sale to take advantage of some of these courses. And you know, there's an all-access passage you can do for the best value. www.vectorvest.com/sale, extended up until September 30th. Hope you take advantage of it.